Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginners, Arithmetic, Class 18. Title of our lesson is Operation on Decimal Numbers. Here we can for the operation adding, subtraction, multiplication and division are applicable on decimal number. First one, we want to explain addition of decimal numbers. While adding decimal numbers, line up the decimal points of the given numbers and add the numbers. It is the method of adding decimal numbers. Example: add the following decimal numbers: numbers. Question 1. Two point 3, 5.8. Here we have these two numbers. We want to add this number. Question 2. 81.32, 72.12. Number 3. 1.81, 21.3. 4. Number 4. 8.981, 0.87.7. Number 5. 0.078, 125.86101. First one, we want to add these two numbers. As we explained on the addition of decimal numbers, we write one of them in 5.8, and we line up the second number. We have 2.3. Here we write decimal point under the decimal point and 2, 3. Then we add this number 8 plus 3, 11. Here we want to write one of them here, and we have 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8.1. Here we want to solve this number. One of this number we write 181.232. Another one 72.12. 72.12. We add this number. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Decimal point we put it here. 1 plus 2, 3. 8 plus 7, 15. Next number here 181 21.3. Here we don't have anything under 1, we can put 0. Here also the left side of 1 we don't have any number, we can put 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 8 plus 3, 11. We have 1. We write decimal point. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 2, 2. 23.11 is the answer. This question 8.981 0.87. We don't have anything under 1, we can write 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 7, 15. We have 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. We have 1. And the decimal point we can write here. 1, we have 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9.851. And in this number we want to solve this number. One of these number we want to write it. Here another number we have 0 here, 4 point here, 5, 2, 1. Here we don't have number, we can write 0. And right side of decimal point we have 8, 6, 1, 0, 0, 8, 6, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 7 plus 0, 7. 7, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 we write 7. We have 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 and 1. 126.751079. It is the answer. Here is subtraction of decimal number. It is similar to the addition of decimal number. Line up the decimal point of the given numbers and subtract the values. Here this example which we wrote in the above, we want to solve them. Question 1. We have 2.35.8. Which one is bigger? We have 2.3, 5.8. Which one is bigger? Obviously this number is bigger, 5.8. So we write here 5.8. Second number is 2.3. We write as like this, 2.3. We subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 3, 5. Point, decimal point, 5 minus 2, 3. 3.5. Number 2, question 2. We have 81.32, 72.12. Which one is bigger? 81.32 is bigger. 81.32 is bigger. 72.12 is smaller than 81. So now we want to subtract these two numbers. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3 minus 1, 2. At decimal point we write the decimal point. Here we cannot subtract 2 from 1, so we take 1 here it will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Here we have 7. 7 minus 7, it will be 0. So it is 9.2. It is the answer. 9.2 is the answer. In after decimal point, in the right side of numbers, if we have 0, it is not valuable. So we can remove that. Number 3. Number 3, we have 1.81, 21.3. Which one is bigger? 21.3 is bigger. So 21.3 is bigger, we write here, and 1.81 is smaller. Here a smaller number is 1.81. We subtract these two numbers. We don't have here any number, so we can write 0. From 10, if we subtract 1, 9. Here we have 2 minus 8. It is impossible. We borrow 1 from here. It will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4 point. Here we have 0. 0 minus 1 is impossible. And then 1, we borrow 1, it will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here we have 1. 19.49 is the answer. Question 4. Question 4, as you are saying, 8.981, 0.87. Which one is bigger? 8.981 is bigger, minus smaller number 0.87. Here under 1 we don't have any number, we can write 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Point, decimal point. 8 minus 0, 8. 8.111. Question 5. Question 5. Here we have 0.890078, 125. It is bigger, so we can write 125.861001. Next number 0.890078. We subtract these two numbers. 11 minus 8, 3. We have 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 0 minus 0, 0. We have 16 minus 9, 70. We have 7. 7, we cannot take subtract 8. We borrow 1 from here, it will become 17. 17 minus 8, 9.421. It is the answer of this question. It was operation of addition and subtraction of decimal number. Thank you.